Welcome to the case study series in business ethics by SkilledMBA. Kiran Kamdar, a newly appointed analyst at Consultsinga, is immediately thrust into the complex world of consulting ethics. On his first day, his inbox is flooded with requests, each demanding a decision that balances professional judgment, organizational expectations, and ethical integrity. With time constraints and limited context, Kiran must make rapid choices that will define not just project outcomes, but his reputation and future career path. This case highlights the real-time ethical pressures consultants face and the importance of developing sound decision-making frameworks early in one's professional journey. Meet Kiran Kamdar, a new analyst at Consultsinga. Just weeks into the role, Kiran faces immediate challenges with an inbox filled with requests. Each message tests judgment and ethics, demanding quick responses without the luxury of extended deliberation. Kiran faces a deluge of emails, each posing ethical challenges. Hiring decisions demand fairness, while performance evaluations require unbiased judgment. Billing hour adjustments test integrity, and social invitations from superiors blur professional boundaries. Each message necessitates swift, ethical decision-making, reflecting real-world corporate pressures. Time pressure is a hidden variable in ethical decision-making. Quick decisions simulate real workplace conditions, where competing priorities demand immediate attention. Under such constraints, the quality of decisions is tested. Will ethical values hold firm when time is limited and multiple urgent requests vie for precedence? Ethical dilemmas often reside in gray areas. Consider billing hours. Should meeting targets compromise accuracy? Small adjustments may seem harmless, but lead to ethical pitfalls. Peer evaluations require balancing honesty with relationships. Truth benefits the organization, but may harm colleagues. Boss invitations like weekend golf appear optional, but power dynamics complicate responses. Traditional ethics training often focuses on clear boundaries and obvious violations, presenting black and white scenarios. However, real workplace ethics involve ambiguous situations, competing values, and the need to preserve relationships while considering career implications. Decisions are rarely straightforward, existing mostly in gray areas where right and wrong are not easily defined. The exercise structure involves two phases. Phase 1 focuses on instinctive responses, where students react under time pressure, revealing their ethical reasoning and communication style. A learning interlude follows, offering reflection and a decision-making framework. Phase 2 tests applied learning with new scenarios, assessing the application of ethical principles. Performance assessment metrics are crucial. Ethical reasoning evaluates one's ability to identify moral dimensions in business decisions. Communication clarity ensures professional articulation of decisions and boundaries. Role awareness involves understanding responsibilities within the organizational hierarchy. Time prioritization focuses on addressing the most critical issues first under time constraints. Small compromises can lead to significant ethical breaches. Social boundary blurring, like weekend golf with the boss, creates implicit obligations. Minor billing adjustments, such as rounding up hours, can become normalized. Performance manipulation, like inflating results, distorts reality. Major ethical violations often evolve from these seemingly minor decisions. Effective communication is crucial in ethical decision-making. The tone should be direct yet respectful to preserve relationships. Timing is key. Urgent ethical issues demand prompt attention. The medium of communication is also important. Sensitive discussions often require face-to-face interaction rather than email. When evaluating Anjali's performance, focus on observed actions, not hearsay. Balance feedback by recognizing strengths and providing constructive criticism. Use specific examples to enhance clarity and usefulness. Consider her development potential, ensuring feedback aids her growth. This approach fosters a fair and productive evaluation process. Developing ethical muscle involves recognizing ethical dimensions in routine decisions, evaluating competing values, and understanding stakeholder impacts. Clear and professional communication of decisions is crucial. Consistent ethical practices are built through repetition, much like physical fitness, enhancing decision-making skills over time. True ethical strength is revealed under pressure, where time constraints and high stakes test character. Small choices are crucial. Major ethical failures often start with minor compromises. Effective communication is vital, as it shapes decision impact. Consistent practice enhances ethical decision-making, reinforcing integrity through repetition. SkilledMBA offers comprehensive programs to train future leaders in ethical decision-making. Our training focuses on real-world challenges, enhancing ethical strength through practical exercises. Contact us at +91 87553 00795 or support SkilledMBA.com. Visit our website at http://skilledmba.com for more information. Located in Modi, Nagar, National Capital Region, India.